Well, I think trust is important at every level of a business, not just with your customers, but with your employees, with your associates you work with, people that do your advertising, your marketing, everything. People have to trust each other. In the roofing industry, we kind of have a black sheep name in our industry. Not a lot of people are trusted. So if you're one of the good ones, you really have an edge. You have to overcome that lack of trust, but once you create trust, you have customers for life, and we're blessed with a lot of that. Being in our 33 years of business, we've developed a lot of relationships that we've kept, and we have a lot of long-term employees that have stayed with us because we trust each other.